Think about this. J.K. Rowling started off by having a dream. She was dreaming about the future where she had written a story about Harry Potter, and nobody wanted to listen to this obviously in the beginning, so she lived a life very simple, without any luxury. I believe she moved in with a friend even for a while until she was successful enough. But look at this now. She believed in a dream, and from that dream she created books, and then it took off. Other people have bought into the dreams even, so this place here is built from her idea. Other people are believing in it, and they're running with it. You can buy stuff from Harry Potter all over the world. Different parts in the world even and find it. And I'm sure her books in so many languages. And imagine this, you start with your own dream and you really believe in it, and it takes off. And if you can buy that with a heart, people buy it with a heart, you can't stop it. I would say that this is impossible to stop now. Other people have bought the dream and they are running with it. Hit like and share, send me a text, email on the email below, and let's talk more about this. Thank you for listening.